Hey everyone! Today we're going to make Mili Serum. Mili Serum is a professional and targeted formula designed to help clear clogged pores, gently exfoliate, and prevent the buildup of keratin and excess oils in the skin, the main culprits behind milia. In fact, the active ingredients in this serum work together to dissolve trapped sebum and dead skin cells while providing a gentle cleansing effect that unclogs pores. It's not just a skincare product. It's a specialized solution for treating and preventing milia. Before we dive into the ingredients and how to make this Mili Serum, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest tutorials. If you've got any questions or a specific formula you'd like to see, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Alright, let's get into the ingredients for 500 grams of this professional serum. I'm working with a small batch here. 475 grams of 1% sodium alginate solution, 2.5 grams of dexpanthenol, 5 grams of zinc PCA, 15 milliliters of propanediol, 2.5 grams of glycolic acid, 6 milliliters of preservative. Alright, as you can see, our sodium alginate solution is already prepared. I've shown how to make this in previous videos. It's smooth and fully uniform. We're going to set it aside for now. Now, start by mixing propanediol with glycolic acid thoroughly until it's dissolved. Next, add the zinc PCA and mix well to fully incorporate it. Now, add sodium alginate solution and mix everything until you get a smooth, even consistency. to add the dexpanthenol. Mix well to ensure all the active ingredients blend completely at a molecular level. Finally, add your preservative and give the whole mixture a good stir until the serum is fully homogenized. If you're working on larger scale batches, you can use a mixer to get better texture and consistency. Then pour your serum into a clean container. Mili Serum is a highly specialized formula designed to help eliminate milia through gentle exfoliation and pore cleansing, and acts as a soothing anti-inflammatory treatment and non-comedogenic product, meaning it won't clog pores. So it's ideal for combination to oily skin types or skin that's prone to the skin bumps and milia. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest tutorials.